So what causes straight line wind? All right, the number one cause of straight line wind is something called a downburst, and depending on the scale of it, sometimes it can be called a macro burst or a micro burst. You've probably heard that before. Here's the process that creates that. So in a thunderstorm, very often you'll get cool, dry air filtering into the top of the storm. Eventually that starts to move downwards. It kind of travels with the rain. The rain shoots it down to the ground in something we call a downburst, and then it hits the warm, moist air at the surface and it expands. Think like when you drop a piece of ice into a pot of boiling water. It's going to expand, right? But in this case, it's the air that expands and it creates this big gust of wind with no rotation in it. It's just straight line wind. Depending on how big the downburst is, it can be a 30 or 40 mile an hour gust. Sometimes it can be over 100 miles an hour, but that's the process that causes it.